Meaning of incontinent.
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 Incontinent. The term incontinent is used to describe a person's inability to control their bodily functions, particularly with respect to the elimination of urine or feces. It is often seen in elderly individuals, those with neurological issues or musculoskeletal disorders, and women who have given birth. Incontinence can have a significant impact on an individual's quality of life, leading to embarrassment, social isolation, and decreased self-esteem. Effective management of incontinence involves identifying the underlying cause and implementing appropriate treatment strategies, which may include medication, pelvic floor exercises, or surgery.